So, hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Thoughtful of Education, an initiative, the Thoughts on Education by College Dunia. Thoughts on Education initiative is to enrich the user's experience at collegedunia.com and try to bridge a long due gap between the management of the students. So today we are having with us Dr. Jagdish Lambe sir. He is HOD of Civil Department from Dr. J.J.MagdumCollegeOfEngineering, College of Engineering, Kolhapur. Sir, welcome to the interview, sir. Uh,
Thank you.
Sir, basically, before moving ahead towards the interview, can you just give a brief introduction of yourself?
Myself, Dr. Jagdish Lambe, working in Civil Engineering Department as a head of Civil Engineering Department in Dr. J.J.MagdumCollegeOfEngineering. College of Engineering. Last 22 years, I am working in this institute, that is Dr. J.J.MagdumCollegeOfEngineering. College of Engineering. Presently, I am head of Civil Engineering Department.
Great, sir. Great. Sir, my very first question to you is that what are the factors that make this program the best for the students to opt?
Civil engineering is a broad field of engineering that deals with the design, construction of highways, buildings, bridges, water systems, dams, etc. It is one of the most important industry when it comes to the nation building and enhancement of infrastructure. The scope of civil engineering is not only in the private sectors, but also it is in a government sector. Today, civil engineering has shown its significance in the market dominantly. With growing urbanization, the growth, a lot of growth opportunities are there in the field of civil engineering. So there are various opportunities for civil engineering to work in a very different sectors are there. For example, civil engineers are work in power engineering. They may work in a geotechnical field. They may work in a bridge engineering. They may work as a structural consultant. They may work in a construction firm. They may work in a water resources and transportations also. There are different job opportunities are available for civil engineers. There are various best recruitment companies or private companies are there in the country, namely Hindustan Construction, L&T, Tata Projects, Skyline Builders, Metro Tunneling, Shobha Developers, Kunj Lloyds. So these are and many more private sectors are there where there is a lot of opportunities to work for civil engineers. There are a lot of opportunities for civil engineers to work in the various subfields of civil engineering, including environmental engineering, earthquake engineering, coastal engineering, site development planning, and so on. Apart from this, there is an excellent pay potential in a civil field. There is a sky is the limit for civil engineers for his development. So there is no as such retirement in a civil engineer field. If you work as a civil engineer, so up till your age, you may work as a civil engineer and you can develop yourself.
Great, sir. Great. Perfect. So my next question, what will you say the best practices in this course you're offering? So in our institutes, when we go on offering this civil engineering this course, mainly we focus towards the students. So in our institute, we are having student-centric learning system is there, where we more focus towards the students, whether the students is understanding or not. Our present system is outcome-based education system is there, OBE system is there, where we more focus on student-centric learning. We have also the activity-based learning, project-based learning in our institute. We have similarly given weightage to the technical as well as non-technical activities in our institutes. In our institute, we have the best practices that we follow, that is the we have the course monitoring system, we have the mentoring system is there, we have the departmental research committees, what we can call as a DRC system is there. So in all these, ultimately our aim is that student, he not only bookish, but he is also all-rounder. That is 360-degree development of that student must be there. And with keeping in that view, our institute tagline is also that your dream, our mission. So 360-degree development of the student that we want, and accordingly we are going to give the best to our students.
Great, sir. Great. Sir, my next question: what are the benefits and the career option after pursuing this course?
So as already I mentioned, the sky is the limit for civil engineers. There are so many benefits and opportunities are there. As I mentioned that not only in the government sector but also in the private sectors, the civil engineers are work. If you can see now in a government sector, most of the organizations are there where civil engineers are required. Namely the Public Work Department, Water Resource Department, Irrigation Department, Jeevan Pradhikaran. So the MMRDA and so on. There are so many government sectors are there where civil engineers are required. So apart from this, civil engineers may go for the civil services like the UPSC, MPSC and all other things. If you can see the UPSC, IAS is there, IPS is there, IES is there, that is Indian Engineering Services are there. Not only this, but civil engineers are also required in Indian Armed Forces. So border organizations are there, border road organization is there, where civil engineers are required. So there are so many government organizations are there where the civil engineers are required. Apart from that, there are various private firms are there. Those are required the civil engineers. So there are so many private agencies are there. Tata Consultants, Tata projects are there. L&Ts are there. Metros are there. Shobha Developers, Punj Lloyds. There are so many such Shirke. There are so many such private organizations are there. Those who are required the civil engineers for their infra projects as well as they require the residential projects purpose. Apart from this, there are various public sector undertakings are there, what we can call as a PSU. There are different PSUs are there where the civil engineers are required. Some of the are Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, ONGC, NPCIL, Airport Authority of India, NCL India Limited, National Fertilizers Limited, National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. So these are some public sector undertakings are there where there is a requirement of civil engineers. So there is endless opportunities are there for the civil engineers. So I appeal to all the students that, or I appeal to all that besides going towards your you must go for the basic branches. So civil, it is a mother of all branch. So I appeal to all that you have to go for the basic core branches.
Great, sir. Great. So thank you so much, sir. This was a very insightful session with you. So everyone, this was Dr. Jagdish Lambe, sir, HOD of Civil Department from Dr. J.J.MagdumCollegeOfEngineering, College of Engineering, Kolhapur. Thank you so much, sir. Glad to have you on our platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you all.